I made my own version of Family Feud using Claude. It was super easy, and I'm going to show you how I did it. For context, you all know I love Asana. I run an Asana consultancy called Cirface, and we have a monthly all hands with our team. And so I wanted to just bring something different to the table this time. And I said, hey, let's run through like business, activities and, updates and everything. But I want to do something fun. And so I thought, why can't I just create like an Asana Power Users edition of Family Feud? And so what this looks like is, you've got, different questions. So this one is name a celebration creature that appears when you complete tasks in Asana. And so we split everyone up into teams, and there's like 5 a team. And then you can assign scores to each person. You can add strikes and whatnot, and just go through the game. So it was really a lot of fun. I even created this like host view for myself as well. And I can switch back and forth between the host and audience view. And so I'm going to show you exactly how I made it. So I had this thought, and if you're not sure what this looks like, or if you've been, messing around with vibe coding and you're using like Replit or Lovable or any of those other tools, I've tried a lot of them. I still feel strongly that Claude and Anthropic are leading the way when it comes to large language models because of things like this, right? So they released this thing called Artifacts a little while ago. If you're paying for the Pro plan, like I am, or the Max plan in this case, you get access to these artifacts, and so you can create like little games and whatever you want, calculators and whatever you can imagine, really, you can do. Like I created an artifact that uses the API from Harvest like invoices, because I think that the like reporting inside of Harvest is brutal for invoicing. And so I wanted to get more like granular information and sort by customer and due dates and be able to filter and report. So I created that in here. It walked me through how to like get it on Netlify, and like it's live on the web right now. And like I don't know a lick of code. I don't know how to do any of that, but Claude made it so simple. And so this is what it looked like for me. I went in and I was like, I want to make a Family Feud style game for my team based on Asana. Can you come up with the questions and answers for me, and a point system? This needs to challenge the team. We are Asana experts, so they can't be too easy, and I need at least 6 answers per question. So it came back. It's like, yeah, happy to help. Just have a few clarifying questions for you. What specific areas of Asana should I focus on? Advanced features, project management, workflows, integration. What's the experience level of the team? Are there any particular Asana features or workflows? So I'm like, yeah, a mix of everything. We're all power users. We implement Asana for work at surface.com. Anything, that you want to put out, the harder the better. And so I didn't really know what I was saying at this point. And so I'll show you the first output of this. So it's like question 1, name advanced API endpoints that implementation consultants use most frequently. Batch API, webhook endpoints, audit log APIs. And so it's like, okay, great. You did exactly what I asked you. Like, but this is supposed to be fun as well. Like, we actually want to get through the game in the time. So I'm like, okay, I know I said the harder the better, but what's the most powerful automation rule features? Multi-condition triggers, cross-project task multi-homing. Like no one's ever gonna guess these, right? And we're just gonna be looking at the board and not be able to get any of these, right? Like name enterprise security features. Like I don't want any of this. It's supposed to be fun. So I actually said exactly that. Okay, this is way too advanced. This should be fun. Also, no API questions. So it came back and it's like, all right, I got you. And then it gave me this. And so it's like question 1, name a celebration creature that appears when you complete tasks in Asana. Unicorn, 38 points. The OG, everyone's favorite, the otter, 25 points. So it's not added in these fun emojis for me. What's something people secretly or not so secretly use Asana for outside of work? It gave other examples right there. And it gave me all of these questions. So I think I got 12 questions, and then there was like a bonus lightning round. So I'm like, awesome, that's great. Now turn this into a prompt that I can use to create a Claude artifact and play the game with my team. I will be the host. And so it gave me this prompt now where it's like, this is your prompt for Claude. So I don't have to like reinvent the wheel or try and like do it justice by adding it in myself. So I was able to do that. And then that's how I started here. So I came and I pasted that prompt exactly how it was, and then it gave me this first version. You'll notice that the host is missing. So I'm like, how am I going to actually play this? Like, I don't know what the answers are behind these. I need my own like host version. So that's what I said. How can I enable a host version so I can see answers on the board? Right now, if I share screen, this is the view that they'll see, but I need to have some kind of back end. So it's like, hold my drink, I got you, right? So, and then we created the host view. Now, in game, I realized that like you can't like remove the strikes. And when you go to the next question, the strikes don't like go away. So like I didn't continue developing it, but I noticed that during the game. But like I could have just said that and it would have made those changes for me. But what I ended up doing was I had the host view on my laptop in front of me, like on my desk here. And then I had the audience view. And this is the version that I shared on screen with the team. So they were seeing this and I just had to like quickly cross-reference, you know, just to make sure I was clicking the right ones and revealing them. But needless to say, we had a lot of fun doing this. If you're in a leadership position and you want to kind of spice things up, change things up with your team, maybe don't spice things up, but change them up with your team. HR, don't come at me. Try it. Get into Claude or get into Replit or Lovable. The reason why I chose Claude is because I use it for everything else. I use it for my creative writing. I use it for ideation. I use it for creating proposals. And I think it's the most well-rounded LLM that exists today. And this is coming from a person that subscribes to Perplexity. I use that solely for research now. I also subscribe to personal ChatGPT. We have a team ChatGPT. We're probably going to be migrating off of that. I use Gemini a little bit, but like I love what Anthropic is doing through Claude, and this was just so easy to do and doesn't require another subscription for Lovable or Replit or any of the other ones that I can't think of right now. But go ahead and try it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'd love to chat, and I'd love to see what you're building as well. What have you built? What artifacts are you building? Teach me, because I only know about this much. So would love to connect on that. But as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.